Good morning, students. Today we will learn about PowerPoint. That is your chapter 10. In this chapter, we will learn how to work with PowerPoint. First of all, let us understand how to open PowerPoint. Start button and then go to PowerPoint. PowerPoint open and start screen is displayed. Click on blank presentation. See, this is your main PowerPoint window. Let us understand about this window. The first one is your title bar. This is known as your title bar. Next is your file tab. Now, next is your ribbon bar. This is known as your ribbon bar. Clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing, all these known as your ribbon bar. Next, this is known as your slide pan. Next, where the slides come, this is known as your thumbnail. And the last is your status bar. Now, how to work with the PowerPoint? See, I have already created one PowerPoint slide. See, I have created one PowerPoint slide, that is your computer manners. Okay. Now, if I want to explain you about the views, so in the view tab, there one option presentation views. First is your normal, next is your outline view, slide slotter view, notes page, and a reading view. Let us understand one by one. When I click on normal view, see, no changes are there. And when I click on outline view, see the changes. Can you see the changes? The outline view is similar to the normal view, but the thumbnail pane changes to the outline pane. The outline pane displays text on the slides in the form of heading and subheadings. And when I click on slide sorter, see what happened? The slide sorter view display all the slides of a presentation in the form of thumbnail. This view lets you rearrange slides group. If you want to rearrange the slides, you can use slide sorter. Next is your notes page. Notes page view enables one to create speaker note that can contain elements other than text and add tables, diagrams, charts to the notes. Here you can add your tables or diagrams or anything else you want to add. Next is your reading view. See, the reading view
Good
previews
morning, students.
the slides.
Today we will learn about Chapter 8.
Let me open again. I was talking about this. Yes. In reading view, what happened? You can see that in the reading view, the slide shows to the presentation without switching to full screen mode. It helps the user to turn the slideshow and view all the animation and transaction effects. You can see all the animation and transaction effects with the help of a reading view. See, these are the animations and the transactions which I have already created. And this you can see with the help of a reading view.
We should
Now you got the difference between all the views. Next is here now how you will going to create a new presentation. Click on File tab, go to New, and then click on Blank Presentation. Okay. Now, if you want to apply a theme, what you will going to do? Click on Design tab. See, the theme group display various themes. Now move the mouse pointer over the theme. When you move the mouse pointer over the theme, you can see the changes. A preview of the theme is displayed on the slide. Whatever theme you want to select, you can select and just click on the slides. Now, if you want to insert a text into a slide, what you will do? Just click here and write wild animals. See, in this way you can enter your text. Now, if I want another slides, now I want to write the name of the animals. What I will do? Just click on home. You can see here in the slides, new slide is given, and I will write here title. Here you can use bullets and numbering. You can see in the home tab paragraph group. There is one option. The first one is your bullets and second one is your numbering. The first one is your bullets. I will choose this one and I will start writing the name. First of all, I will type here names of wild animal. Now I will click here and the first one is your lion. Press enter key and then next name is your tiger. Again press enter key. Zebra. Press again enter key. Bear. In this way you can write here name, animals name, flowers name, fruits name, anything you can write using the bullets or numbering. Now if you want to format your text, how you will going to do formatting? How can you do? Just select your text. If you want to do bold, you can do bold. If you want to do italic, if you want to increase the size of your text, you can increase the size of your text as I'm doing. If you want to change the color of your text, yes, you can change the color of your text. See whatever color you want to choose. If you want to change the color of your heading, you can choose. See, in this way, you can do so many things. Now, if you want to see the slideshow, where you will going to do? See, in the title bar, the slideshow is there. When you click on slideshow, just click from beginning. See, in this way, you can do. Now, if you want to save your file, how you will going to save? Click on file, click on save, then click on browse. See, save as dialog box appear and here it is written wild animal and I will just click on save. The file is automatically going to be saved.